I'm sorry. But I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world, there's room for everyone. The good earth is rich. We can provide for everyone a way of life.
So the time is 12:30 and from here Ooty is around 165 kilometers. That is the shorter route. I won't be taking the shorter route. I prefer the longer route as it takes more time but is more scenic. The shorter route is through Masinaguri. That has like insane 36 hairpin bends, very sharp and steep road. It's shortcut, it's exciting, but I prefer that longer route because of the simple reason is that it's much more scenic and the drive is crazy. The feel you get through those curves is like mind-blowing.
One hour later.
ये ठंडा कुछ देना, ठंडा कुछ भी. So guys, यहाँ पे गर्मी काफ़ी है compared to Bangalore. So I'm feeling a bit hot with all the riding jacket on. So yeah, कुछ ठंडा पीते हैं. कुछ भी है तो आंटी, कुछ भी चलेगा. यहाँ सिपन नो प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ जस्ट ऐसे ठंडा कुछ. छोटू सा बॉटल है सिपन. गर्मी काफ़ी है. So I think I'll have to remove the thermal liner of my riding jacket, otherwise it's getting a bit too uncomfortable. निकाल लेते हैं. और I'm getting fully sweaty. Oh, I mean the temperature difference from Bangalore to Mysore side is quite a lot. So in here you won't need any winter liner or thermal liner if you have one or any jacket. So I'm removing this winter liner. So I'll need this again when I am approaching Ooty. It will be damn cold there. As well as the rain liner. This is the rain liner. As I don't need this. No. Though it works as a wind cheater kind of thing, but not that much need. So you are feeling refreshed after that cool drink and water. It was getting quite hot. I was sweating like hell. So again back on the road. From here it's around 110 kilometers I think, and that should take around 2 to 2.5 hours, provided the last 50 kilometers, not 50, 40 to 50 kilometers is around the hilly roads of the Nilgiris. And I'm eagerly waiting for that. After this Bandipur National Forest, the scenery is like mind-blowing. So I'm just enduring this patch of highway just to reach that. So the time is around 3 o'clock and I am very much near Bandipur, and the best part of the ride starts now. So we'll go through Bandipur National Forest, through a dense forest where you can also, if you're lucky, you can also sight many animals which you only see in the movies and all. I personally had the experience of like having such experiences, and after that the mountain roads will start. So the best part is going to start now. Stay tuned, keep watching, and obviously like, share and subscribe. Without your support I'm nothing. I'm going to start, and I forgot to tell that after some time, after the Bandipur National Park, we'll be crossing over to Tamil Nadu, and the recent COVID rules require you to e-register on their website, on the Tamil Nadu government website, and that will be checked at the border. So last time when we had come, they also had done a rapid test at the border itself, at the Tamil Nadu border by the Tamil Nadu government, and thankfully I tested negative. We all tested negative, in fact. So let's see. And there I saw a board in which it was written that elephant zone, please do not stop, we won't be responsible for any attack by elephant. So yeah, I can recall the experience very well. Oh my god, somebody's bike has broken down, man. Needs to be carried this way. So friends, up to like kar do video. I hope you're enjoying. I am enjoying a lot. I wish I could like plan a trip with you guys some days. Be free to join. I'm always up for a trip. So they're out for a safari. Cool, man. I remember doing this safari and we spotted quite a lot of like wild animals. It was way back, many years. I'd really love to stay a night though in such a place. You know, have a bonfire or something with friends, a nice music, and obviously friends who can sing as well. Hey, I can spot deers, man. Deers. Oh my god. Just look. Deer तक तो सही है भाई, उससे ऊपर ज़्यादा कुछ एटलीस्ट रोड पे नहीं देखना चाहता हूँ. It's a tiger reserve area. I should remind myself and you again. So yeah, still deer is good. अगर 4-5 शेर खान आ जाए तो बस सोच सकते हो. So anyways, we are only 35 kilometers I guess from Ooty. Not 35, sorry, maybe around 65 or even more. See, I have set the map to a place called Budalur, because I don't want to take that shortcut route. I want to go the long way. Oh my god, what are those? Like baboons, macaques? Sorry, I'm not that. Deers. My god, awesome. Today's a lucky day. Guys, this is the beauty of a bike trip, you know. You are totally in touch with nature. You have a all-round panoramic view. And we are now entering Tamil Nadu. This is the border check post of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So yeah, for visiting Tamil Nadu, you don't need any e-pass or e-registration. But yeah, for the hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Yercaud, and all the hill stations, basically you don't need an e-pass, but you need to e-register. It's instant. You need to provide all the details and you get a e-pass kind of thing, so which you need to show at the check post as we enter Tamil Nadu. So here we are entering Tamil Nadu. The Karnataka side of the national park is known as Bandipur National Park, and the Tamil Nadu side is known as the Mudumalai National Park. So yeah, we are entering Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, checkpost Kakkanalla. So here we are entering Tamil Nadu. I think checking is going on. I think we have to alight from the bike. So here we showed the e-registration pass. बच गए भाई, बच गए. This time they did not ask me to undergo that COVID test. Last month only. So here the COVID test is going on. बच गए भाई, सचमुच बच गए. Last time what had happened is that we knew that only e-pass the e-registration is needed. So we came happily, but at the same place we had to undergo a complete COVID test. and due to this thing we could not actually enjoy the last Ooty trip because we were afraid, what if we test positive, what will happen? This is another state. I don't know what the rules are exactly, whether they will quarantine us or, you know, there are so many different things going on in your mind. So we had a 3-day plan actually last time, but we came back in 2 days itself because we weren't sure what would happen if by chance we test positive. But thankfully we tested negative. The result came after 4 to 5 days after we reached Bangalore. But yeah, this time thankfully they let me in without any testing, so I'm a bit relieved. So anyways, enjoy the ride. Oh bhai, I think I saw something. I think I just saw something, you know, a tiger, a cheetah, I don't know, man. It was crazy. God, dekho, I might be wrong, but no, while moving I just saw for a fraction of a second, you know, at the distance. So I'm not sure, but it was like my heart stopped for a minute. God, it was not that far as well. Oh my God. Today has been a crazy day, man. I don't know, I'm extra perceptive today, sorry. No, I'm still the camera was off, so I couldn't record it, my reaction. So this is indeed a tiger reserve. Oh my God, so many macaques or whatever on the road. And deers again, deers. Oh wow. I think we are at the end of the tiger reserve, and now I have to choose between 2 paths. So I guess the left one is the shortcut, the short route through those steep 36 hairpin bends, and the right side is the scenic route, quite a longer route but quite scenic and really nice. Both are nice, but yeah, I prefer the one. भैया अच्छा, लॉन्ग रूट ये वाला है ना, गुडलूर का? अच्छा ठीक है, थैंक यू. So yeah, this is the longer route. It's quite beautiful. Elephants. See? There. Should I cross? Should I not? Oh my God. Haha. With every turn of the road is getting more and more beautiful. Flowers of different colors, and the tall pine trees and the winding roads. They're really beautiful. Do not go anywhere. The best part of the road has just started, so please sit back and enjoy. As we go up, the weather is also getting more and more chillier side, and you can feel that nip in the air, as we call it. The tea gardens have started, and my God, this makes me so nostalgic because I'm from North Bengal, and we go a lot to the Darjeeling and Sikkim, and there are lots of tea gardens. Brings back memories from childhood.
Every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
So guys, टाइम हो गया है ऑलमोस्ट 6 एंड ये फोटोग्राफी के चलते लाइक काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है. So I was stopping by to take some photos and all. I couldn't resist myself. तो अभी यहाँ से I guess around 25 to 30 minutes है to my hotel. And I seriously hope it does not get dark, too dark. It's already quite dark, but it's still manageable. So I'm making a final dash to my hotel. Let's see. Hopefully I'll reach before it gets too dark.
1 hour later.
ऊटी एंटर हो चुके हैं 10-15 मिनट पहले. And I just stopped by a pharmacy to buy some sanitizer as well as spray sanitizer. So wherever I go, I carry it with myself. I always spray my hotel beds, pillows, and I carry my own pillow covers, bed sheets, my own blankets, and I spray the sanitizer on all the contact surfaces, including doorknobs, switches, and the bathroom handles and everything, the basin even, as well as on the beds. So yeah, stay safe guys. This is the only way you can stay safe. So hello guys, so I've reached my hotel finally, and it's a quite nice hotel. It's a heritage hotel. It was built by the British and it's really nice. I like this kind of architecture. It's very old. It's built by the British and it's very nice, as you can see. This place is a fully like heritage feel to it. It's located centrally. That's another like good point. So I'm a fan of this kind of architecture and styling.